This is for my man ForScootersGonWild, who asked me how to make a goat. There's a couple of ways. First of all, I'm going to try with the scribble tool. We know that a goat's head basically goes from up to down and has a shape kind of like this. Okay. More or less like that. Bear with me here. Let's put a little more depth to it. All right. So once I did that, I would inflate it, rotate it, and then take one of these rounder templates. And then you basically go up, down. Let's do that. Then I'm hitting the duplication, and then I mirror it. So I hit it from both angles, rounding it off from the top and the bottom. So let's see what's left when we group this. Not much. All right. Might just have to angle it like this. Gotta get a more subtle angle in there this time. Let's see what we get now. That's a little bit better. Let's move this in a little bit. There we go. Move the lower pull template. Okay, let's see what happens now. Not the best. So let's go this way. All right. Let's stoop it down. Let's go from 33 to 32. And let's go 8. Huh. Group that. Now, sometimes I'll take both separate ones and try to blend them together. Let's see what happens when we. Whoa! What the heck? Let's see what happens when we combine both of them. I'm gonna do this. Whoa! I'm gonna take this. Whoa! Let's try that again. Sometimes you need to just flip something around and round it off. There we go. Let's group all that. Okay. And so from here, I can take this again and smooth this off. Throw some eye holes right here. But right now, I'm going to make the horns. See, I'm just concerned with showing you how to go about making shapes that you need. Huh. What do we have here? Okay. All right. What I want is a circle, pretty much, but I need something that's kind of knobby to make the horns with. So let's do this. Let's see whether this works for our purpose. I'm going to save that one because I like it. I'm going to do something else with it. I'm going to go back to the drawing board and draw it out a little bit more. I thought it cut in too deeply into the circle. I want something that's looks more naturally like the segment of a goat's horn. Let's see what we have now. Okay, I like that. So now what we're going to do is duplicate that. Rotate it a little. I'm going to shrink it this way. And shrink it a little bit this way. And on that side. And then let's see what happens. Let's control the curve so that it kind of does what horns do in nature. They kind of go both directions. Let's control that one. It's not curving enough for my liking. And I'm going to make it point more. All right. Let's group that. So, you would expect me to make a mountain goat, which is a little bit more aggressive than the average goat that's in, the farmyard. You gotta know me. I'm always gonna go for the buff buck wild animal. I'm never really gonna, unless I absolutely have to. I'm usually gonna do one of these buck creatures instead of these like passive little farmyard animals. No, they're higher up on the head. More like that. And let's see what color their horns are. Alright. Kind of a gray. Uh-oh, that one went invisible. That always happens when you use mirror tool. Gotta bring it back a little. Okay. Alright, Scooter. Show me what you come up with. Good luck. Peace out. Till next time.